How do you do that? I'm going to be telling you that in a few. Welcome. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Share, like, comment, everything. Yeah, and you're very welcome. People have been asking me for a Webster tutorial because it's a super cool looking trick and not a lot of people can do it. And those who can do it can't do it perfect. A lot of people aren't like this when they're doing like their Websters. I had that problem back then, but now that I have lived for a very long time, it's super easy for me to do any kind of Websters. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. And the first thing to make sure that your Webster looks perfect is actually to kick like super hard with your swinging leg. I usually swing with my right, yeah? So you have to make sure that you're swinging like super hard when you're getting into the flip. Then, what you want to do is this one. There is something we call the switch before hitting the Webster. So there is this movement when you do like this, then getting into the flip. You don't just do like this and flip, okay? This gives you a lot of momentum. So you first switch, then flip into the Webster. So you have to make sure that that switch is super strong because that is what is going to be carrying you throughout your flip, okay? So hit the switch, swing this leg super hard. And some people swing this, I swing my right. So swing whatever leg you're switching with. Swing it super hard because it's going to be making sure that it's giving you the momentum you need to flip you upside down and give you a perfect landing. Yeah. The next thing is to not turn immediately. Yeah. It's like you can even watch this for yourself and then it's like self-explainable. When I'm flipping right here, that means my chest is low, so I'm just going to flip here, okay? This is the farthest I can go. But when my chest is here and I flip, that means I'll flip here and I'll have time to land. But if I'm flipping from here, I land like this and maybe even fall backwards, yeah? So you have to make sure that you're lifting your chest high before flipping. And then, remember we said you're swinging super hard. So swing super hard, then lift your chest high. You don't want to switch to flip when your chest is here. Okay, I'll give you an example because this is what a lot of people do. I'll flip when my chest is down here and then I'll do the exact flip with my chest up, and then you can notice the difference. So this is what a lot of people do, and maybe this is your problem. So let's try to rectify that. So this is how a lot of people do. You see, like you're just flipping direct into the flip, and then your landing is like it's forced. You can see that you landed by a miracle, yeah? But when you lift a chest, let me lift my chest and then we'll see what happens. I'll not change anything else, I just lift my chest up and then we'll see if there is a difference between the two flips. So here is the Webster with my chest up. You see, now my chest is up here. But when you're flipping with your chest down here, your landing is always going to be like this, super low, and it can even cause injuries on your feet, yeah? Those are the important tips you need when you're doing a Webster, and those will give you a perfect Webster. If you have any problem with any other flip, drop it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you and will make you flip better, like a Superman. And you can do your flips anywhere. Like you can see I'm flipping in the concrete. Not a lot of people can do that. So make sure you drop them in the comment section below. Let me know which flip you want to learn next and I'll get back to you. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Yeah, so that is it. Until next time, peace out.